Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off the device and removing any battery. This prevents shorts and protects components. Use a magnifier and compressed air to inspect the USB-C receptacle for lint, bent pins, or corrosion. You'll know why when you see which pins are blocked. Once done, gently clear debris with a wooden toothpick and test port alignment visually. Make sure to document every screw and connector as you open the chassis so reassembly is straightforward, and you avoid damaging ribbon cables. You now diagnose electrical continuity with a multimeter. Probe V-bus, CC, and ground pins to find faults and confirm whether the issue is mechanical or solder-related. If pins are merely bent, carefully realign with a fine tool under magnification. Small corrections restore contact without stressing pads. When solder joints are cracked or the port housing is damaged, desolder the old connector and clean pads. You'll replace it with a matching receptacle because proper solder joints restore reliable power transfer and data lanes. You solder the replacement USB-C connector, ensuring clean, shiny joints and no solder bridges. Use flux and inspect under magnification so contacts meet spec. Once cooled, reassemble the device in reverse order, seating ribbons and torquing screws evenly to avoid case distortion. Then test with a known good charger and cable. Measure the expected 5V or negotiated voltage and confirm device charging. If it still fails, try the troubleshooting tip. Swap in a different compatible board or cable to isolate whether the port, cable, or power delivery negotiation is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.